Whether it's salty or sweet, everybody has the urge to snack, okay? And I am guilty for that. Today, I'm gonna show you my family's favorite go-to snacks. First up, my after-school snack, my apple cookies. So what I've done with my apples is I've cored them and I've sliced them into tiny discs, like so. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to spread some almond butter onto my apples. You can use peanut butter, you can also use sunflower butter, any type. And this is the fun part, adding all of the toppings. My son absolutely loves chocolate. It's like his favorite thing. So I'm gonna add some chocolate chips on top. Just kind of sprinkle a little like that. I'm gonna add some coconut flakes, make it really nice and pretty. Look at that. So that's one option. There we go. You can do another one. We can add our butter. I'm gonna add some granola on top. You can add some more chocolate chips, some almonds. This is a snack that's fun, it's easy, the toppings, you can find them in your pantry, and it's also like a fun DIY project for your kids. For that afternoon sweet tooth, this snack may surprise you, my edible cookie dough. The surprising ingredient is chickpeas. I know, right? Isn't that crazy? I've drained and rinsed my chickpeas. I'm gonna add them into this blender. There we go. I'm gonna add some pitted dates. And the dates are gonna add some sweetness and richness to this. Add some almond milk, some honey. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Love me some honey, honey, honey. A little bit of vanilla extract and some almond butter. This is a snack that's loaded with protein. I don't know about you, but when I was younger, I would just love to dabble into the cookie dough, and my mom would always say, no, you can't have that because there's egg in it. But guess what? You can with this one, because there is no egg. Put the top on, and I am gonna blend away. I want this to get really nice and smooth. I'm putting my chocolate chips in after I've pureed the chickpea because I don't want my chocolate chips to break up. I want them to be really nice and whole. Let's talk about the main ingredient here, chickpeas. I mean, it's like, wow, chickpeas for a cookie dough? Well, chickpeas, they're actually really neutral in flavor, so you can add whatever you want to that. And what I like to do with this cookie dough is I like to just use a scooper, put them into little balls like this, throw them into the freezer, and boom, you have some incredible edible cookie dough. My family, we love to sit in front of the TV and watch movies. My husband's movie, should I say? Popcorn, that is like my go-to snack. It's one of my favorite snacks. I could eat this whole entire bowl by myself. But you know what? I'm gonna take this popcorn to another level. I'm gonna turn it into a sweet and spicy popcorn. In front of me, I have some melted butter, and I'm gonna add some garlic powder, some onion powder. Get in there. Some salt and pepper. This is gonna be so good. I'm just gonna whisk this up, just mix it all together. And we can't forget the honey, because this is sweet and spicy. Whisk this together. So I absolutely love popcorn, and my problem is I just can't eat one and finish it. I have to just put like lots of it on my mouth for some apparent reason. I love popcorn. Popcorn will end up in my hair, it'll end up in my clothes, it'll end up on the floor, just everywhere. Oh. Really? I love popcorn! This smells so good. I can smell the garlic powder and the honey. I'm just gonna drizzle this onto my popcorn, just like that. We are going to the movies. My husband was in a movie called Gran Torino. Clint Eastwood was in it and he directed it. I just thought he did an incredible job. So go, Corey. When we're watching his movies, I'm totally like this. These are some of my favorite snacks. Tell me some of yours, and make sure you subscribe to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. I'll see you next week. Bye!